Hi guys!
Hello! This is Fred.
Ako po si Fred. Thank you for the video. Much appreciated it.
It's a picture.
Oh yeah, picture nga pala yan. Yeah, picture. I can't wait to meet you guys. One day, I can't really go anywhere right now because the passport ko hindi ko it's expired.
Expired the passport niya, so he can't fly.
But
once
I wanna
it's
meet you
all
guys.
ready, yeah.
From Lola to the youngest cousin, everybody.
Everybody. I miss you guys. Napaiyak ako, nakita ko. It was so unexpected.
And
Super thank you.
And Alda have told me all about you guys, so parang kilala ko na kayo lahat.
I showed him pictures
I wanna
on
meet the
Facebook.
twins.
Yeah, the twins are so cute. I want to meet the twins too. And ano pa ba? Yeah, he's basically met all of you guys because of Facebook. I show him everything. Lola, I miss you so much.
Hi Lola. I think I've spoken with you Lola one time sa Skype, diba? Nung nasa Amsterdam tayo.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think I spoke to Lola one time. But Lola, I can't wait to meet you.
Yeah. And yeah, ingat kayo lagi. And again, thank you so much. I miss you guys. We'll come visit you guys as soon as we can. With a baby now, little Alda, our friend.
Si Devante or si Iris? Iris.
Wala ko yung pangalan. Pero, yeah. Maybe next year, hopefully. Dapat this December kasi dapat uuwi kami, but then I have a baby now, so hindi kami muna makaka-uwi.
I think it was October ang due.
October yung due date ng baby. So, after, pag ano na, tapos na yung mga vaccinations and ready na lahat, pwede na kami kumuha. Tsaka pag nakuha na niya yung passport niya.
About 6 months.
Mga ganon. Ayun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Love you guys.
Bye.